Yeah. So next is national logistic policy. Now it tell me it will come under.
National Logistics, Ministry of Logistics.
Now see here see go see see don't
But you
means
said no.
you I said you but there is a not is key there is a not ministry for everything. Okay.
Hmm.
Means whatever I take the name she will tell the means yeah.
Ministry name.
Yeah, so it's not like that.
Think before answering.
Yeah, actually there is a ministry of commerce industry.
How we will connect it?
Connect it.
Commercial.
You have to learn, na.
We
Logistic
have
means
to
what?
learn now. We have
Yeah,
to mug up these ministries.
not mug up, eh. See,
Yeah.
yeah, because see, up see, this is pillar. So you can say it will come to ministry of pillar. See, so means you cannot, yeah, because like that. So actually, yeah. So national logistic policy means see it has been initiated in 2022 and it comes from the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Okay, and it is still going on. Yeah. The second one is PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan.
Ministry of Gati Shakti. Jal Shakti. That is it. Wait. Again, Ministry of what it is? Repeat again.
PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. Gati
Gati
Shakti.
Shakti National
Now I will
Park.
check your mind plan and everything.
Shakti
You
National
guys
Park,
make fun, na? Now okay. But don't look here, okay?
No. I'm looking this one. Only.
Gati Shakti.
Where? Gati Shakti.
Yeah.
I don't Gati Shakti.
Actually, now see. Let me tell you the hint. It is for infrastructure development.
The Ministry of Infrastructure Development.
Yeah.
Ministry of Infrastructure. Then Commerce. What is there? Ministry of Infrastructure of Commerce, Commerce and Infrastructure. Ministry of Commerce and Infrastructure. You are telling infrastructure.
What I am saying, Ministry of Infrastructure.
Commerce and Infrastructure.
Not Commerce and Ministry of Commerce and Industry. I told.
When you told industry, this is so. But you said no, it comes under infrastructure, no?
No, it is about infrastructure.
It is about.
PM Gati Shakti is about infrastructure development. Now tell me, it will come under which ministry?
What ministry comes under infrastructure one? Ministry of Infrastructure is there? Not true.
Actually, it will come under Ministry of Commerce and Industry only.
Industry.
Because there is no separate ministry for infrastructure.
Commerce and industry only.
And the important thing is that it will be completed in 2025 only. Don't worry, guys. I will send you the PDF.
This is very important, no? I feel like.
Very important.
Because the name is very Vaisa.
Vaisa.
Next.
Okay.
So if there is any part of infrastructure, I will write it.
PM
Ministry of
Gati
Commerce
Shakti
and
for
Industry.
what?
Hmm?
PM Gati Shakti for?
PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. You guys don't write, yaar.
No. For what?
Huh?
Purpose.
Infrastructure development.
That is also infrastructure development.
And that is also infrastructure development.
Logistics and national policy.
It is for logistic. Logistic means? Tell me your English is good, na?
Parcels.
Yeah, in transportation. See, next. PM School for Rising India. Now tell me it will come from the...
Education.
Yeah. And the important thing is that it will going to complete in 26-27. The year when you guys are going to appear in the examination. And the next one is Rashtriya Udyamita Vikas Pariyojana.
Rashtriya Udyamita.
Udyamita means industry. Now tell me.
Ministry of
Commerce and Industry.
It is not that much easy.
फिर से
Udyamita
बताना
Vikas. What?
What's the scheme name?
Rashtriya.
Rashtriya Udyamita Vikas Pariyojana.
Rashtriya
Vikas means development and Pariyojana means project.
Udyamta मतलब?
Industry. Actually, it seems like commerce, na, but it will not come under. Actually, here is the catch.
Acha, could you tell me what this industry do?
Okay, the purpose is entrepreneur, young entrepreneur development.
Skill development.
It'll be in the Ministry
Skill
of
development.
Skill development.
So I told you earlier only, na. Ki either you know the ministry or you know the purpose. So you
You
can.
can do it, no?
Yeah.
Udyamita.
Don't write, okay? Don't write. Yeah. प्रधानमंत्री जनजाति उन्नत ग्राम अभियान. जनजाति means tribal. now it will come under
Tribal Ministry.
yes, and it will going to complete in 2026. Priyal, don't write. Yaar, why?
I'm writing this
Okay, you
advice.
continue. You continue.
You
Then-
said this advice.
Then Vatsalya scheme.
Vatsal?
Vatsalya.
Vatsalya.
This is Sanskrit word actually. Vatsalya. I can tell you.
Ruku, Ministry of Vatsalya.
No, there is no ministry of Vatsal.
Sorry.
See, Vatsal means, do you know what?
Schemes.
Let me explain the meaning of this first. Vatsal means like a child nourishment.
Women and
Vatsalya,
Child Development.
Ministry of Women and Child
Development.
Yes.
Development.
And it is going on. It is
Going on.
going on.
It is to support women, no?
Yeah.
Sorry, children in need.
And it has been initiated last year only.
2024.
Yeah. And the next is Purvodaya.
Huh?
Purvodaya.
Purvodaya.
Yeah.
Purvodaya.
Purvodaya means something related to east.
Northeast.
Yeah. So it will come under
Tribal Ministry.
east means does not mean only tribals live there.
Northeast.
Actually, it is for, do you know what? It is for steel production.
Ministry of Steel.
Yeah, Ministry of Steel.
This
This time she is right.
I always
She always guess. So this time actually.
coincidentally.
Yeah. Ministry of Pillar, Ministry of Chair, Ministry of. It's okay.
Ministry of Steel.
Yeah.
Why you guys don't come to Sindhi Park? Next time you will come to Sindhi Park. Why? One only you come.
No, yeah. Sindhi Park, so many members are there. We can't focus properly.
Okay, next time I will come because it is her ambition now. So okay. प्रधानमंत्री सूर्य घर योजना.
I won't come. You can send me
Why?
a recording session.
So you will not come to my PG.
I will come to your PG, but I won't come to Sindhi Park.
You will not play.
Study.
Come to play. No?
You guys distract so much, yaar. I will impose the fine as well.
Scheme.
प्रधानमंत्री सूर्य घर योजना.
हाँ.
Surya Ghar, solar
Ministry of
Energy.
Ministry of
Energy.
New and Renewable Energy. And it will be completed in 2027. Suppose that you know what the purpose of this? That suppose that
On buildings, na?
roof
Solar.
on the roof,
Solar.
solar panel. Yeah.
Public.
Yeah. Next is electric mobility promotion scheme.
Same renewable energy. Electric
Mobility promotion scheme.
purpose.
Purpose is for
Electric
electric vehicle.
Ministry of Transport.
Commerce and Industry.
Transport.
Here is the catch actually. Ministry of Heavy Industry.
We don't know that industry.
Heavy.
Tell me the meaning.
Heavy.
No, scheme. Once Ministry of.
It is for electric vehicle manufacturing and wires. That is electric mobility promotion scheme, and it is going to be completed by 2030 because India has met the target for electric vehicle promotion. You know.
Ministry of Heavy Machine.
Yeah. Then Pradhan Mantri Swasth Suraksha Nidhi. Swasth means health.
Health Ministry.
Ministry of History. Health. Sorry.
Yeah, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Good. Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri
Ayushman Bharat.
Ministry of
Jan Arogya Yojana.
Ministry of Jan.
Ministry of Health only. Because Arogya means health only, na? Hmm.
You slow down, na. You are speaking very fast. We can't able to.
No,
think.
it is only for low income families. Please mind it.
Okay.
Not for all. Okay? Yes. And it is still going on. The next one is National Digital Health Mission.
National Digital Health Mission.
Now you guys tell me. There is the catch actually.
Options.
Options.
Huh.
Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Information and Technology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Urban Development.
Tell me now scheme.
National Digital Health Mission.
Purpose.
Health
Mission.
Family and
No,
welfare.
wait. Don't do. What
Family
is the purpose?
welfare.
Purpose.
Purpose?
Welfare of the family. Doctor.
Welfare for the
Contact
family,
in
na?
online.
Welfare for the family.
Digital Health Record.
हाँ,
Family
health
welfare.
and digital health record is there ना.
Family welfare.
So if there is a digital, so why cannot be Ministry of Information Technology?
but
Because
not,
it is a health one ना, it is health oriented.
So there is also digital, na?
it is
Digital.
giving a recorded health to the person ना. Health and welfare one only.
orientation towards the health na.
हाँ.
That's why.
Tell me
Okay.
it's wrong,
Yeah, right.
right?
प्रधानमंत्री गुड प्रधानमंत्री स्वास्थ्य सुरक्षा योजना.
You make us feel so wrong.
No,
Why
actually,
not digital one?
I develop critical thinking, na? Why? So see has answered that.
I said na health, then you said why? Again, you scare us.
Not scare. Actually, this is to make it more clear, right? प्रधानमंत्री स्वास्थ्य सुरक्षा योजना.
Swasth is a health. Ministry of Health.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is for actually medical student.
Medical students.
Yeah.
What health?
Students.
Medical students can check up their health.
No, it is for treatment,
Medical.
like MBBS doctor and all.
Training na.
Yeah. The next is intensified mission Indradhanush.
Indradhanush. Energy.
Wait na. Speak again. Scheme.
Indradhanush scheme.
Indradhanush.
Actually, you cannot guess here, guys. I'm sorry for
Options,
that.
Purpose नहीं. Tell me
I'm
the
sorry
purpose.
for that, guys. You cannot guess here.
Okay. Tell me the options and purpose. I will tell.
But examiner will not tell you the purpose.
You tell.
You
You
tell
have
the
to guess.
purpose.
Huh?
This time you can tell na.
If I tell the purpose, now you guys will answer the question. I know.
Arey why? No, you are not.
Okay, now I tell you. It is for pregnant women.
Health.
Family.
हाँ, health and family one.
So why can't be Ministry of Women and Child Development?
Pregnancy.
Because there is also that, na?
हाँ यार.
It
Give me
is a
options.
pregnant women. Huh?
Options. These both will be there.
Yeah.
Purpose is only
See,
pregnant
see.
lady.
Priya
Actually,
will
no,
go for
it is-
na health.
actually-
welfare children.
Actually, it is PYQ. It is PYQ because UPSC has asked this question.
Okay, we have to mug up.
Not mug up, yaar.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, show.
Eh, Sal. Hey, don't distract, yaar. Hey, come on,
Why?
focus here. Why are you opening here and there? So.
Health and welfare. Mine.
Yeah. Right.
Now you tell me why not pregnancy one.
Why not
Sorry.
Ministry of Women and Child Development? Because see, if woman is pregnant, na, so she needs good health care, na. That's why. Orientation towards health, na. That's
No,
why.
Why women is pregnant?
She is not. She is asking why it is not under women and child welfare.
So this is what I'm telling, na. Because this scheme focus on health, good health of the pregnant women.
You said pregnancy.
That's
only.
why. Orientation towards health, na. That's why.
That's
Because
why this is
suppose that
health
one woman is.
ministry.
Yeah.
But it is
Yeah.
you written
Health.
children and pregnant women. So why not that one? Ministry of Women and Children.
Because orientation is towards health of
Health.
the pregnant
If
women,
it
na.
is
That's why.
empowerment na.
Yeah.
Purpose is a
Then,
mutation drive for children pregnant women.
But actually here is a catch, please mind
You
it.
don't
See,
tell-
I'm already
Wait,
highlighting.
you don't tell purpose nicely, na? You
So-
said only pregnant. You want.
Because UPSC will also do like that, na. That's why I still in short. So see, don't worry. I'm a see.
Manish, don't call Manish UPSC. Okay, call UPSC.
Yeah, because I'm in mood of UPSC only. See, don't worry. I'm already highlighting important things. Okay, so don't need to worry about that. I will share this PDF you guys. Stars project.
Stars project.
Yeah, stars.
Purpose. Purpose.
Purpose.
Astronomy.
For
Stars astronomy.
actually for school student and teacher training.
Education.
Yeah, good.
Education.
And it will be completed in 2025.
This year.
Yeah. Next is Institute of
If someone
Eminence.
said that it will be completed 2025, then it can be extended or
Yeah, it can be
Can be.
extended. Can be.
can be extended.
If the target is not achieved, it can be extended.
It's not necessary that you have to complete the
Yeah,
target only.
not necessary. Not necessary.
But we have to reach. Try to
Yeah.
reach.
Yeah. Midday meal.
Midday meal.
Midday meal. Arey, we have studied this, yaar. Education.
Midday meal.
Huh? Education.
Midday meal.
Yeah. Ministry of
Education.
Education. Good. It is for school student. Swachh Vidyalaya Abhiyan.
Education.
Yeah. It has been completed in 2019.
Completed.
Completed, then why it is there?
No,
We can
but,
write examples.
Yeah, it has been completed.
We can reach it. We have reached that goal by this. So
Yeah.
we can write.
And when it is started?
It started 2014. Narendra Modi has started actually. And Kala Utsav,
Kala Utsav, education only. Kala is a
it,
art,
it,
na?
it is for promotion of art and culture.
Kala is art, no? That's why education only.
Yeah, Ministry of Education. Then Shiksha Parv initiative.
Shiksha is a education.
Ministry of Education, yes. Do you know this scheme has been initiated for National Education Policy 2020 to implement that policy? This scheme has been initiated.
Shiksha Parva.
Initiative.
Okay, 2020.
Yeah.
What are the features of 2020 National Education Policy?
There are various features. 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2
What is?
What is this?
till 5 class, then 3 year, 8th class.
Acha, it is that new one, na? You're telling
Yeah.
new scheme, na?
No
Earlier it is
retaining,
10,
na?
10,
No
10 plus 12.
Yeah.
No detaining.
Yeah.
Are yaar, recently
No detaining,
I
yeah.
wrote the question
No
about
detaining
this.
as well.
You have given the question, yeah, recent one. I don't know, he has given or in our Vajiram we have given. Recently I wrote about this scheme. 5 plus 3 plus 3, 2 and this one.
Yeah, so I am not given. They have given, I think.
हाँ। यार नहीं आपने दिया था शायद से जब मैंने पहला आंसर लिखा था ना
Maybe.
पॉल्यूशन के बारे में तो दूसरा आपका
But do you know,
environment के बारे में
after this discussion, I will also give you one question.
Vajiram has given us we haven't
You have not completed yet.
यार he has given 5 questions we are
5
completing
questions I can write in 1 hour.
1 hour
We are not Manish now.
Manish is here
Yeah.
in that tree
We are here and you
you are in
there.
that tree
Okay, next. Scheme for promotion of academic and research collaboration.
Research.
Ministry of Research what speak again
Ministry of Hair as well. Ministry of Pant as well. Any ministry.
अरे नहीं यार एक बार फिर से बताओ स्कीम what is the scheme
Actually, it comes under Ministry of Education only.
scheme tell me the scheme ना
Scheme for promotion of academic research.
भागी वो sleepers
Okay. Give me the water.
Academic research. Which research?
academic research
Academic research.
education
Ministry
Yeah.
of Education.
And it is still going on. Higher Education Financing Agency have.
education
Yeah,
education.
Ministry of Education.
whenever it's education then education
प्रधानमंत्री मातृ वंदना योजना है.
मात्र
मातृ.
मातृ is a
It,
माता
it is a Sanskrit बढ़िया है.
माता
So it will come under.
माता
It is also for
Tell
it is
me,
also for
women.
pregnant women.
women and child but you also said for that na ministry of
Health.
Why Ministry of
tell me the
Health?
purpose
Pregnant women.
only pregnant women the
Maternity benefit.
okay
Women
women or
and child
children
welfare.
women
Yeah.
and children
Do you know what is maternity benefit?
huh what is my I don't know. Leave from office
Yeah.
that only
That
I know.
only.
Yeah, that
That
is.
many-
And,
what are
and,
the
and,
benefits
and she will get the salary.
huh,
She will
that
get the
is there.
salary. Yeah. And Poshan Abhiyan.
Portion.
Portion,
Women and child
children
welfare.
women and children
Yeah.
to give that protein
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
राष्ट्रीय पोषण माह है.
Huh?
राष्ट्रीय पोषण माह है.
राष्ट्रीय पोषण
Ma.
Ma.
This is also
माँ
child
है
welfare.
wait ministry of welfare माँ है ना
Yeah, Ministry of
Proportion.
Women and Child Development.
it gives a portion to the women
Yeah, that's right. प्रधानमंत्री कौशल विकास योजना है.
कौशल विकास
कौशल means
हाँ.
skill.
skill
Yeah.
a ministry of skill
Yeah. It is for actually youth skill. Youth skill. Like I am providing this skill to you guys. That is.
Are I'm saying nest is there
You are seeing Manish in there.
in that nest
Unique land parcel identification number.
अरे आधार कार्ड ना मिनिस्ट्री अरे यूनिक आईडी इज दैट वन ना
No, that is other. Unique land parcel.
Parcel.
Identification
Rural,
number.
rural.
Yeah.
Rural.
Good.
how
Survey.
meaning of the land
Do you have your own land in your village?
I don't have village
She is
whatever
from
you are.
town.
So whatever.
City.
Kanpur.
You don't have farmhouse?
No,
Kanpur. Kanpur.
We
Kanpur
have
आना बेटा.
separate
वो what वो.
वही. I don't have farmhouse. Poor girl.
Rich boy.
Rich boy. Yes, he was saying I don't in the like this. Poor
Poor
girl.
girl.
Just kidding, okay?
Tell me, I don't have farmhouse then. What happened?
No, so you could have better related. Do you know what? Means
have a farmhouse, okay.
the land which we have na, there should be proper record of that.
Acha.
So that is called a unique land parcel identification number.
It's only for rural areas.
Yeah, generally. That's why it is called Ministry of Rural Development. Na? Next is National Social Assistance Program.
National Social Assistant Program.
National Social Assistance Program.
Option.
It is for vulnerable group like women, transgender.
Urban or rural?
Eh?
Everyone.
Yeah,
Urban plus rural.
everyone.
Ministry of
It is for widows, elderly women, and disabled person,
disabled
transgender.
person is also there.
So here it has catch.
Yeah, now tell
We
me.
can't use Ministry
Here,
of Women and Children.
here there is a catch.
Catch.
It's fine.
And it will come to Ministry of Rural Development only.
Why it will become
You
rural?
said
Yeah.
it is rural plus urban.
Yeah, but it's still, because see, most of
More
the
are
people,
the members from rural.
yeah,
only.
poor vulnerable, na? That's why. Yeah.
He is speaking more now. We are drinking more.
Manrega scheme. I told you already. It
Rural
comes to the Ministry of Rural
Development.
Development. Okay.
MJ Anarigi.
Rashtriya Ajivika Mission.
Ajivika.
Yeah.
Ajivika.
Ajivika means what?
Meaning Ajivika.
Livelihood.
Lively. Rural areas. In
Yeah,
livelihood.
good. Now she is able to link it.
But I still don't understand that one, no? Ministry of that disabled and all of. Still
Most
how?
of the members reside on.
Do you
But
know,
it's
you
coming
do
in
one
the
thing.
urban
You
also.
do one thing. You cram it. Mug up it. Yeah.
At last he said market.
Gram Panchayat Development Plan.
Rural development.
Come on, yaar. Ministry of Pant, Ministry of Chasma. No, no.
What? Ministry of Chashma means what?
Chashma means specs.
Specs.
Ministry of Specs, Ministry of
You
Cap.
said what? Chashma in place of chashma.
Chasma is a Hindi word. Of specs. You can say glass, eyeglass.
Kala chashma.
Oh. Okay. Gram Panchayat Development Plan.
Gram
Actually,
Panchayat.
it comes
rural
from the
area.
Ministry of Panchayati Raj. There is a separate ministry of that. Ministry of Panchayati Raj.
Not in rural.
See, Priyal. Sometimes it is important to guess.
Catch.
Sometimes no. Sometimes it is important to guess. Like Ministry of Pillar, Ministry of.
And
But you know,
round
when,
it.
but you know when she said na that what Ministry of which?
pillar.
No. Pillar to I said na. Some ministry said she said na. What?
Infrastructure.
Yeah. Really, yeah. Means that was really so interesting. But it's okay.
Chalo.
Chalo. Okay. Okay.
Round it.
Startup Village Entrepreneurship Program.
Startup village.
Now here is the catch. Because see, there are village as well, there are entrepreneurship as well, there is a startup as well.
Village means most village only, no?
Now I will check who is going to tell the correct.
It
Rural.
either be it will either be the rural one or either will be the that one.
Tell me one.
Huh?
Rural. I go for rural development.
I go for either rural or the other that one employment
Panchayat.
one. नहीं नहीं ministry of that startup ना.
Skill development.
हाँ skill development.
It is about rural development.
Rural ना.
Yeah. And it is
Because
still,
village is there and startup is
yeah.
there.
And it is still going on actually. Then Global Housing Technology Challenge.
Global housing.
Technology Challenge.
Ministry of development.
Hmm?
Science.
Ministry of Science Tech.
You tell me development.
Tell me, Priyal. I hope you will tell the correct.
नहीं फिर से एक स्कीम अगेन ग्लोबल
Global Housing Technology Challenge.
मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हाउसिंग
Yeah, it is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs.
How can you say?
Because global housing is, you see, no, global housing is there, na. So